Mercury. It is the first planet from the Sun and the smallest in the solar system. Mercury has the shortest and fastest orbit around the Sun and experiences dramatic temperature changes as it rotates. It is a world of extremes. No single person can be credited with the discovery of Mercury. This planet, one of the 5 visible to the naked eye in the night sky, has been known since ancient times and observed by various cultures over thousands of years. The Sumerians, around 3000 BC, provided one of the earliest records of Mercury. Being close to the Sun, Mercury is challenging to see, likely leading to its discovery later than brighter planets such as Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. Its size is slightly larger than our Moon, with a circumference of 15,329 kilometers around the equator and a radius of 2,440 kilometers, making it about 2.6 times smaller than Earth. Facing the Sun, Mercury experiences scorching temperatures of around 430 degrees C, hot enough to melt lead. Due to its slow rotation and lack of a substantial atmosphere to distribute heat, there are stark temperature differences between the sunlit and dark sides. The sunlit side reaches approximately 180 degrees on the side facing away. Despite the intense heat, permanently shaded areas, like some polar craters, may contain ice deposits. However, the extreme temperature variations from day to night make it impossible for life as we know it to thrive on Mercury. While Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, it isn't the hottest in the solar system. Venus, with its dense atmosphere causing a greenhouse effect, experiences even higher temperatures. Mercury has a little atmosphere, but what it does have is made up mostly of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. The thin atmosphere, or exosphere, does little to prevent or slow down impacts from extraterrestrial objects, leaving the surface littered with craters. In appearance, it is similar to Earth's moon. The planet is terrestrial, meaning that it has a solid surface and is mainly made of silicate rocks or metals. The planet Mercury is mainly made up of iron. Mercury has no moons. The planet's close proximity to the Sun makes having moons impossible, as the star's strong gravitational pull would likely pull them out of the planet's orbit. Now we have basic information. Let's find out facts about Mercury. Fact number 1. Mercury is faster than any other planet in the solar system. Fact number 2. Mercury has a phenomenon known as a retrograde, where it moves backward across the sky for a couple of weeks every year. Fact number 3. The planet has very low albedo, meaning that it is not very reflective. In fact, Mercury is one of the least reflective planets in the solar system. Fact number 4. The Messenger was NASA's first mission to Mercury. This mission lasted from 2011-2015, with a goal to learn more about Mercury's surface, atmosphere, and geochemistry. Fact number 5. Mercury is sometimes called the morning star or evening star because it is periodically visible in the morning or evening sky. Fact number 6. Mercury has a pinkish hue during sunrise or sunset due to the scattering of sunlight from its thin atmosphere. Fact number 7. Mercury's magnetosphere extends far behind the planet due to the interaction between its magnetic field and solar winds. Fact number 8. Mercury has wrinkles. As the iron core of the planet cooled and contracted, the surface of the planet became wrinkled. Scientists have named these wrinkles Lobat scarps. These scarps can be up to a mile high and hundreds of miles long. Fact number 9. Only 2 spacecraft have ever visited Mercury. Owing to its proximity to the Sun, Mercury is a difficult planet to visit. During 1974 and 1975, Mariner 10 flew by Mercury 3 times. During this time, they mapped just under half of the planet's surface. On August 3, 2004, the Messenger probe was launched from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station. This was the first spacecraft to visit since the mid-1970s. Fact number 10. Mercury is the most cratered planet in the solar system. Unlike many other planets which self-heal through natural geological processes, the surface of Mercury is covered in craters. These are caused by numerous encounters with asteroids and comets. Most Mercurian craters are named after famous writers and artists. Any crater larger than 250 kilometers in diameter is referred to as a basin. The Caloris Basin is the largest impact crater on Mercury, covering approximately 1,550 km in diameter, and was discovered in 1974 by the Mariner 10 probe. Frequently asked questions about Mercury. Does Mercury have any moons? No. Mercury is one of the two only planets in the solar system that don't have any moons. The other is Venus. Astronomers believe this is because it is too small and therefore has weak gravity, so it can't hold onto a moon. Its closeness to the sun can be the other factor. What is Mercury made of? Mercury is one of the 4 terrestrial planets in the solar system. This means it has a rocky, solid composition. Astronomers estimate it is made out of 70% various metallic materials and 30% silicates, and its core is mostly iron. Does Mercury have water? Yes. The MESSENGER probe confirmed there are some small deposits of ice in some of Mercury's craters that are always shaded from the sun. Liquid water is unlikely, though. Does Mercury have life? Not likely. Mercury's atmosphere is too thin, and its temperature conditions are too extreme to sustain life. Scientists do not believe there is life on Mercury, or that there has ever been. So that is for all today. See you in the next video.